have taken another giant Altay argali. We are so proud and happy able to hunt this mountain monarch. You can see that it's really hard to turn him around even. And he has everything. He has the length, he has the mass, and he is the beauty of all the other sheep. He's the king of the mountain, Altay argali. We have 4 species: Gobi desert ram, Mid Altai, North Altai, and that's the High Altai. They are as big as they get. And we are so proud of this organization and Mongolia and our conservation work. We've been working close to 20 years together with our Mongolian friends. And that's why we are able to collect such a big rams and get these giants from the mountains. Stay with us, happening in Mongolia with Shikar Safaris.
Oh, no, he's turning.
Ал міне мұғалдардың жылқысының қазысы бие 5 жасар. 2019 жыл 18 желтоқсан. Қазақ жылқысы. Қайыр жер.